Cockroaches in India are getting hit one way or another. Some get crushed by literal broomsticks. And the ones that survive, don't worry. The system has plenty other way to swap.
गरीबों को सम्मान मिलेगा, देश को ईमान मिलेगा,
होगा हर एक वादा सच्चा, सबका भला हो सबका अच्छा, क्योंकि
हम मोदी जी को लाने वाले हैं, अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं।
Imagine this ritual every single weekday. Wake up, run, push, get crushed, bathe in the collective sweat of strangers, inhale somebody else's pan masala, pretend there's normal city life, repeat the process again in the evening. Tell yourself there's just a phase. Tell yourself there's a test of character. Call it the spirit of the city. Glorify the systematic failure as resilience. Read a forwarded message about how we are a rising global superpower. Feel a sudden rush of pride. Turn off the lights, go to sleep. Next morning, wake up again, open Instagram, watch a reel saying India is not for beginners. Smile proudly.
जिंदगी झंडवा फिर भी घमंड वाले
Call struggle Indian DNA.
सह लेंगे थोड़ा सा
Adjust to the traffic, adjust to the heat, adjust to the pollution, adjust to the corruption. Breathe smoke, drink chemicals, eat microplastics, ignore the toxic air, ignore the poisoned rivers, ignore the tax on your sweat, ignore the boot on your neck, compromise on your sleep, compromise on your youth, compromise on your health, compromise on your dignity, compromise on your dreams, and overall, live like a cockroach, work like a cockroach, vote like a cockroach, and eventually die like a cockroach. If only the media did what the job was, to question power, to demand accountability, to expose failures, to be the voice of the people.
मस्त जोक ट्रेलर है, आपके स्पीचेस में कहते हैं अभी तो ट्रेलर है, मैं बहुत कुछ करने वाला हूँ। तो एक कस्बा होता है जो थोड़ा नर्वस हो जाता है कि करने क्या वाले हैं मोदी जी।
आपने इसके साथ साथ उनका नींद उड़ा दिया है। अभी जो दिया है ये सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
आपके जो विरोधी वो इसीलिए घबराते भी कि अभी ये दिख रहा है इन्होंने आगे क्या सोच रखा होगा। सेंस ऑफ प्राइड जो आपने भारतीयों के अंदर भरा और एक सेंस ऑफ प्राइड आपने हिंदुओं के अंदर भी भरा।
Look at them. Just look at them. Not journalists questioning a public servant, but courtiers writing poetry for the emperor. No tough questions, no accountability, no discomfort, just carefully polished worship sessions. Sir, your enemies are terrified. Sir, the opposition cannot sleep. Sir, this is only the trailer. Sir, your vision is extraordinary. Sir, the nation is inspired. Sir, from where did you get so much confidence?
और विरोधी ये भी सोचते हैं कि इतना कॉन्फिडेंस,
आप लबरेज हैं कॉन्फिडेंस से, मतलब आपको नर्वसनेस जरा भी
कटाक्ष और आपके वन लाइनर्स याद रहेंगे।
Giggle at his answers, blush at his remarks, laugh before he finishes the joke, clap before he finishes the point, agree before he even answers the question, treat every vague sentence like a line from the Bhagavad Gita. And then people wonder why accountability is dead.
ये कहते हैं कि अगर सब इतना आसान है तो इतनी मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हैं आप?
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से।
A millionaire anchor comforting the supreme leader, deeply concerned that he might be overworking himself for us ungrateful mortals. So why do you work so hard, sir? So when do you even sleep, sir? So how do you carry the burden of saving civilization, sir? Incredible. They want us to feel guilty for the exhaustion of supreme leader. Amazing psychological engineering, isn't it? Forget your own burnout. Forget your slipping mental health. Forget your empty bank account.
क्या करूं मैं, मर जाऊं? मेरी कोई फीलिंग नहीं है। तुम्हारी फीलिंग तुम्हारी, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਟੌਮੀ, ਸਾਡਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ।
The important thing is, Mowgli ji is working very hard for you, for me, and for all.
हम भी इंसान है, मेरी भी दो आंखें हैं, आपकी भी दो आंखें हैं। मैं भी कई बार ऐसा होता है थक जाती हूँ और मैं ये कहती हूँ कि बहुत थकान होगी, अभी नहीं होगा। सच बताइए, व्हाई डोंट यू गेट टायर्ड? आप थकते क्यों नहीं हैं? आप ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक मुझे लग रहे हैं, ज्यादा आपने रैलियां की है, ज्यादा आप काम कर रहे हैं, आप वाकई थकते क्यों नहीं?
Of course he doesn't get tired. He is a non-biological being after all.
ये ऊर्जा बायोलॉजिकल शरीर से नहीं मिलती।
So don't you dare complain about your mortal fatigue. You're just a biological taxpayer, a fragile carbon-based life form whose purpose is to survive traffic, inflation, pollution, power cuts, potholes long enough to vote again. Feel privileged, feel honored, feel spiritually blessed that you, a mere exhausted middle-class insect, are allowed to financially support this divine entity.
एक चीज साफ दिखती है मोदी जी कि आपको अपने लिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए। एक फकीरी है आपके स्वभाव में। ये कहां से आई? क्या आप हमेशा से ऐसे ही थे या धीरे 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 फकीरी आती चली गई?
Fakir, a dervish, a detached saint, a wandering monk who needs nothing for himself, who owns nothing for himself, who desires nothing for himself. Just a humble spiritual traveler with a 1200 crore customized Boeing 777. See the sacrifice. See the divine loneliness of the ruler.
और शीर्ष पर बने रहना, जैसे कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में, इट्स ऑलवेज वेरी लोनली एट द टॉप। और शीर्ष पर बने रहना का अपना एक दबाव भी होता है बहुत। आप कभी उस दबाव को महसूस करते हैं?
Feel guilty for ever complaining about your own middle class misery. They want you to marvel at his fakiri, applaud his renunciation, admire his sacrifice, worship his simplicity, while completely ignoring that the system is slowly forcing you to become the actual fakir.
लवणेन भोज्यम.
They promised you Nyayena Rajyam, a kingdom of justice, a golden age, Achhe Din, Amrit Kal, a majestic buffet of development. But when you finally sit at the table, what do they actually place on your plate? Again.
लवणेन भोज्यम.
तोबा तोबा तोबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
But every time the reality disappoints you, the media arrives immediately with a distraction package.
Modi versus who? Modi versus who? Modi versus who? Yeah, Modi versus who? Issue number 1, Modi versus who? Modi versus who in Uttar Pradesh? Modi versus who in Andhra? Modi versus who in Maharashtra? Modi versus who in Karnataka? Modi versus who? Modi versus who? No, Modi versus who? I'm simply saying who?
That is the ultimate escape button. If not Modi, then who? They want you to accept the decay by convincing you that the alternative is chaos. But tell me honestly, how much more chaotic can it really get? Why don't we check it? Why don't we test the alternative? We are already at the bottom. We are already paying the maximum price. So why don't we stop accepting? What was it, Modi ji?
लवणेन भोज्यम.
Yes, that. Enough. बहुत हुआ अब. But what if the referee is wearing the jersey of the defending champion?
क्या अपनी माताओं, बहुओं, बेटियों सहित किसी भी मतदाता की सीसीटीवी वीडियो चुनाव आयोग को साझा करनी चाहिए क्या?
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
Do you honestly think a system that deploys the Ministry of Electronics, the Intelligence Bureau, and the State Police just to shut down a satirical meme page is going to let you casually vote them out of absolute power? Do you think a regime that calls its own unemployed youth parasites in the highest courts of the land is going to hand over the keys to the kingdom just because the insects are finally getting angry?
There are youngsters like cockroaches. They don't get any employment. They don't have any place in profession. Some of them become media. Some of them become social media. Some of them become RTI activists. Some have become another activists. And they start attacking everyone. There are already parasites in society who attack you people, who attack the system. And you want to join hands with them.
No. They will try every possible way, every legal loophole, and every special intensive revision SIR to make sure the cockroaches never even reach the ballot box. So, what happens now? I'm sorry to say this. Go back to the stand.
मत घबराओ, मत पछताओ, खुश हो जाओ, क्योंकि
हम मोदी जी को लाने वाले हैं. अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. सबका भला.
Adjust to the traffic, adjust to the heat, adjust to the pollution, adjust to the corruption, breathe the smoke, drink the chemicals, eat the microplastics, ignore the toxic air, ignore the poisoned river, ignore the 30% tax on your sweat, ignore the heavy boot resting on your neck, compromise on your sleep, compromise on your youth, compromise on your health, compromise on your dignity, compromise on your dreams, and overall, live like a cockroach, work like a cockroach, vote like a cockroach, and eventually die like a cockroach.
Live like a cockroach, loud then a bojum. Work like a cockroach, loud then a bojum. Vote like a cockroach, loud then a bojum. Eventually, die like a cockroach, loud then a bojum.
लाइट बंद है, अंधेरा है. लवणेन भोज्यम